Hey, hello. Hey guys, what's up? Streaming software. Is it live now? Oh, damn. All right. Awesome. Can you hear me? It's shareable link. Okay. We are at a good quality, but let me just. Okay, hey guys. I think you can hear now. I had muted my mic. I'll share the link on my social media so that people can know. Copy URL. Let's update this. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? My mic was not working, so I had to end the stream, but now it should be working fine. We'll start off in 5 minutes. Yeah, live now on this link. All right, so I've just posted this. Awesome, awesome. Jeevan is also here. Hey, Jeevan, what's up, man? How are you doing? Okay, we'll just start off in 5 minutes. Okay, we'll start out at 10:30. Sorry for the delay, but it's all right, I guess. Okay, let's just put this aside and we are live now. Close, close. Hmm, about chat. Awesome. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about this thing now, and let's switch it. Great. Awesome. So let's just see where we left last time and where we are now. And by the way, we have like some new setup over here. Uh, so let's just open this and we'll minimize this. We'll minimize this. This is cool. and we'll open the image in new tab. Good reference. Okay, not this one, the next one at least. We'll do another sprint of an hour and a half, maybe until 12, and that should be it, I guess. I think we'll get done most of them by then. I don't think it should be a lot of trouble. Okay, cool. Mm, awesome and great. And where is our mobile phone? Mobile phone is over here. So let's just do this. Yeah, perfect. Okay, cool. Great. So this is where we are at at the moment. Yep, great. And we want to get here. Why is it coming on top of this? All right, you know what? I'm just gonna create a new desktop and gonna add the Chrome browser. Uh, Chrome browser in the second, and let all these things, even this in the second, this in the second. All right, perfect. So our desktop one is set up for this, and desktop 2 is for this. And we also have a chat. Okay, everything is set up, cool. And our OBS, we have 3 viewers right now, awesome. Uh, Perfect, cool. Uh, how, what's the easier way to toggle between these desktops? Like, it's so much more easier on uh, the Mac. I thought three finger would help, but I don't think that's helping. So I'll have to do this itself. Okay, cool. Oh man, damn, this thing sucks. Yeah, great, cool. So we have our controls also ready. Awesome. So we were here somewhere. So we have developed something uh, where basically these cards, we were developing these cards, and I think let's just continue with that, and then we will get back to uh, making those cards, render, add some shadows. Then we will also create this down sort by style wala option. I think bottom footer is already done, so that's not a problem. Then once you click this, you will get to a new screen, so we'll have to create that as well. Um, but I guess that should be easy. That shouldn't take a lot of time. But all right, cool. Um, let's see how to toggle between two desktop. Windows 10. How do we do that? Windows key, control, left arrow, right arrow. Oh, okay. Okay, control. Great. Okay, thank you. This will help a lot. Yeah, this is good. Okay, something new I learned. But yeah, let's get started with this. So where were we at? Like these images were added, and I think we were doing some sort of this image, and we were using scalable image, and we had to basically have an image which has the width of the parent and maybe height is 100 pixel, but let's fix the height first and then we will see how it looks. Okay, 100 is still too small. So let's make it 500. Okay, is something happening over here? What's happening? Height. Okay, let's just see what's this library all about. React Native Scalable. So let's just go here and see how can we resize the height and stuff. So we can do that and we can give the width. There is a width prop. um, Yeah, height prop, width prop, background, component, custom image component, on press, on size. All right, so this should be working, right? Okay, so let's just see this. 500 didn't help. How about, is it because of the margin left by any chance? Let's just remove this and see. No, it's not, nothing to do with that. 1000? Oh no. Okay, width I'm going to give of maybe 50%. Let's see if this works. I'm giving 50%. Or is it just directly? No, it's not. It won't accept that. Let's just give 50%. No, what is it telling? Required if in a drawable folder. Expected type is width, which is declared here. I think it's number and you can't give this. Let's see if this works. No, it won't work. Oh man. Okay. Let's just do a normal image. Let's see that. And we'll get back to this. Yeah, we could just use this and give it some height and width. We can't do that, can we? So style height 50. Awesome. So it's something is happening. 100. Perfect. Okay, height, I think it's cool. Now let's sort out the width. Width is 100%. Okay, so that didn't work. Let's just give some number. Hmm, interesting. 300. No, not 200 either. I think it's somewhere 150. And it shouldn't be coming out of that card, by the way. Uh, okay, 120, 130, I guess. Yeah, this is good enough. Uh, maybe, maybe we could just put this out of that view and paste it over here. Okay, this is good. Maybe make it 140, 150. Okay, 150 is perfect. Oh God. All right, so we have some sort of a image. We have image, and we need to add icon, name, and value. Value is probably it's it's the price and the sizes which are available. I think we need to increase the height of this card. I don't think to 180 will work. So let's just make it 200. Yeah, this is good. And Let's just have some. I'm just gonna put like, hmm. Okay, I'm just gonna add some padding over here. I don't know if it will work fine. 10 is good enough. No, that won't work. Uh, so you need to add wrap it around a view and add it inside. Add that. Sorry. Uh, add this in. Add the image inside the view, and that should be good enough. Yep. And then we'll give style to this and make it give some padding of 10. I think horizontal padding will do. So you have this thing called padding horizontal. We don't need vertical. Okay, it's coming out. So we need to decrease the width. So we need to decrease it by 20. So this should be fine. Yeah, this is good. So we have our image, and now we need to add a logo, Adidas and Nike logo. So let's pick it up from our React Native vector icons. And those who are new, or like if you don't know directory, yeah, we have actually installed this in our last video, I think, which is available on the channel, I guess. Okay, and you can actually have a view how it was done. Adidas, there is no. What about Nike? All right, there is no icons of Adidas and Nike. So what shall we do? I think we can just go to icons 8 and download some icons. I'm just gonna sign in with my Google account. They don't allow you to download without it. All right, so Nike, and yeah, this is good. I was filled. Download. Okay, we'll just download 100 pixel one. I think 50 pixel is enough. Maybe, no, but let's download the 100 pixel one. We can reduce the size. And then let's do Adidas logo. All right. So let's download these two, and I'm just gonna copy this to in my folder of my project. So we have images reveal in File Explorer. So there's no way for this to work out. Somehow this is locked and this is not coming above that. But anyways, we are just gonna paste that here and done. Close this. Uh, and I'm gonna rename this thing to Adidas logo. Yeah, just Adidas is enough. And here we are going to name it as Nike. Hey guys, those of you, I don't know how many people are here right now. Let's just see. Yeah, Kunal is here. Hey Kunal. Okay, 3 viewers are there. Okay, perfect. Awesome. So we have our logos and icons now. And so we'll just add that thing there. But also, if you look at this design where we have flash auction and then the card is like just sticking up there, maybe we should like give some space here. We should give some margin. Then it will look way better than what it's looking right now. So we have this view which is wrapping the whole thing, and this is our view of the card. So here in this view, we are going to add a margin top of 20. Yeah, this looks way better. Uh, okay, cool. What else? Now let's first perfect the first card, and then we'll get back to it. Okay. So again, we need to import our Adidas logo, Adidas from um, assets, images, and Adidas dot jpg. Oh, sorry, it's png, right? Png, and then import Nike from same thing, same place, images, Nike dot png. Good. So now, actually, we don't need both of them, but I have imported it anyways. I'm gonna show you guys how you can create one card and use that multiple times. Basically, you'll have to loop through an array, or you can put a for loop and do it off. So yeah, that's good enough, I guess. So I'm just going to create another view, and we need to have a logo name value. So let's have our logo, and you can actually have all four of them in this view. So okay, yeah, let's just do that. We are going to add first the image, and we are going to put thing source Adidas. All right, let's just see this how it looks, because um, yeah, perfect. Okay, we have our logo over here, but let's just style it little and position it better and give it some height and width. Height I'm gonna do give like 20, I guess, and width 20. This should fix it. Yeah, this is looking close. Yeah, it's 20. Yeah. And so justify content, and I'm going to center this. And by the way, guys, the stylings what I'm using is very similar to the web, whatever you have done. Okay, it's not justify. Then you need to do align items. Let's see. Okay, so this won't work because this is not wrapped inside a view, and this styling might not apply here. So what shall we do? Align self will work, right? Align self, align self. Yeah, yeah, that's right. So align self is basically telling that you align yourself based on this parent view. So that's how it is. And yeah, so and then let's just give some margin. I think vertical margins we need here, because horizontal it doesn't even matter. So let's give 10 and see how does this. I think 10 will be little too much, but yeah, no, 10 is perfect. And then let's just do the adding the text view. So here text, and what is it telling? Empty component. Okay, cool. Uh, what's the shoe name? Use OZ Vigo unisex. Okay, OZ Vigo unisex. All right, and let's do this. And yeah, so we have a font, but again now, if you look at the styling, it's quite bold, right? Like you need to have a bold icon. And see here, it's not even bold. I think it's somewhere medium, I guess. We are using Poppins, so we can actually font family, and we can use actually the semi-bold, which we have used in Flash Sale. If not, we can try out the medium one. All right, cool. Let's just paste this, and Okay, yeah, this looks perfect. Let's make the center again, and we'll have to do align self, or we can do text align as well. The both will work. Okay, um, this is good. But when you look at this, this sort of looks weird because of the margin over here. Yeah, this is better. Okay, so we have our thing ready. Okay, there's some styling indentation issues. Awesome. So we have now our name, and now we need something in blue which tells the value, and then we have to make like this small numbers, touchable numbers. Okay. Uh, okay, let's just do that now. So we have added the brand name, and I think again we'll have to increase this size. It won't happen in 200 either. Okay, so another text will go here. Um, yeah, and here we are going to give value ETH 0.04. Cool. Yeah, but we need to give different style to this font family. I think we can use Poppins regular here. Regular or light? I think regular will be fine, I guess. Uh, cool. Uh, and now let's pick color. Color for this as blue. I don't know if this will work. Yeah, this works. But this is a very weird blue. I don't like this blue. So I'm just gonna pick. Actually, there is already something picked. I think this is the blue. No, I think this blue will work. Yeah, we'll use this blue. This is better. So this is one Chrome extension basically called eyedropper. You can pick the color from the screen, and it makes your life so much more easier. To fetch this color. Yeah, this looks way better. And again, we need to do align self, center. Awesome. This is done. This is cool. And now let's see what do we have next. Next, we have another set of views, which is 7, 8, and 9. Let's see that. So instead of creating a single thing, we have to manage for the shoe to have multiple sizes, right? So we have to create a view which renders a list of sizes. So again, I'm just going to increase this by another 20 and cool. And this should be good. Then I think we can do text. Yeah, we can do text and we can give styling for that instead of having a view. So I'm just going to give 7 and here we are going to style it. We have to give first a uh, border to this, border width 1, border radius. I think 2 will be fine. Let's just see. Okay. Hmm. Uh, so the problem is it's taking the whole width. Let's try something like this. Uh, align items, not align self. Align items, stretch or justify. Or we can do justify items. Wait, justify content, space evenly. This will be fine. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll come to that part. Mm, okay, this is not right. I mean, we need a set of width, right, for this. So either we could just give some width, like 10, I guess, and That would be a fixed width. Yeah. And but we also need to give some padding because it needs even padding. So I'll give it 4, and the width doesn't justify that. So I'm just gonna increase by 18. Yeah, this is fine. But I think the height and the width is sort of uneven. It's not in square. So I feel this should be fine. And align text align, I'm going to do center. Good. Border radius by 5. Yeah, this looks fine. Let's just see. Yeah, this looks cool. I mean, it's closer to what we want. Maybe we could reduce the font size for the box to be little smaller. We can make this 12. By default, it's 14. Yeah, this is much better and makes more sense. And here we'll have align items, center. Perfect. So we have a view created, and I'm just gonna create copy of this. I'm just gonna copy this and paste it over here and make it 8. And it came on the next line, so that means there is no flex direction. And that was another reason why we did this. Okay, flex direction and justify content to center. Center. So instead of center, we could, oh no, we can't do that. Okay. And align items to center. Actually, that wouldn't make any difference because, yeah, fix all. Perfect. Now let's just see. I think now we don't need width. Yeah, okay, this is good. Actually, fixing the width is not a good solution. And the reason it was happening was because we had added, I mean, it was not flex. So that's why we are going to add like 10 padding here. 10 will be too much. 5, 6. Yeah, this is good. This is the sweet spot. And I'm just gonna put here as well. And now both are sticking next to each other, so I'll just give margin right to this and make it 10. Perfect. So we have a first cart ready, and you can like basically copy and paste that like multiple times to make loop through it. And let's just do that, I guess. Margin top. Okay. Another thing is this is basically a flex direction needs to be row, and we need to have another margin right because of course there will be a next card and it shouldn't be sticking next to each other. So I'm just gonna copy this whole view until where? Oh damn. Okay, this is very difficult. Um, th this whole view, I guess. This is this correct? From bottom? From bottom, I'll just copy from bottom. Um, I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, I'll just copy this, paste it over here, and save it. So you have your next card, paste it again, and you have your next card. Cool. So we have our browsing section ready. Okay. Now let's just do this sort by style. Sort by style. Let's see if we have any questions come across. No, it's cool. Yeah, so let's just quickly add these new cards and get going with that. Awesome. Is everything all right? I'll just see here. Yeah, perfect. Okay, this is working cool. Okay, so we have casuals running and whatever that is. I have no idea. I'll probably make it sports, I guess. Yeah. So first we need to add sort by style, which is almost same as flash auction. So where is our flash auction? It's over here. Yeah, auto हमारा margin left क्या है ये heart oh this is not that sorry I got lost here my own code align item center okay peaceful so I think copying this text will just make things perfect or let's just copy the whole thing flash yeah let's just do the whole I'm just going to copy this come out of this view come out of this view and we are going to create another view and I'm going to paste this and gonna remove the icon and we are going to name this as sort by style. Is it caps or small? Small, okay. Sort by style and let's just okay, cool. So we have sort by style and we need to make the small cards, okay, in this view itself. So this is perfect. This is looking good. So I'm just going to create another set of view over here, which is going to create like contain another set of view. This is going to be our card basically. Um, I think naming it with a style name makes more sense, but I think I'll probably do that in the next video because I've been doing inline styling for now. So yeah, uh, let's just get going with this. Okay. So here we need an image again, source. Uh, I'll just put image 1D. All right. And then I know there are errors right now, but we'll fix that. Height. Probably we need to just fix the width. Also the height. Yeah, height will be close to 2050. Width will be close to 100. Yeah, and I will close this, and then there is text which tells the style casual running. So I'm just going to do casual here. Okay, and here in this view, I'm just going to do क्या डाले casual. So here it will be flex direction as row. Awesome. And also we'll have to give some padding. Horizontal padding will be 20, padding vertical will be 10, I guess, because it's long horizontally, so that's why an extra padding there. And there will be a border radius to this, and the border radius is close to 20. So let's just see how this looks. Okay, this looks something like this. Okay. um, I think the size of the image is big. Let's make it little small and this will be 25. Yeah, this is way better. Uh, Casual. So another thing is we need to give some sort of a shadow effect. So I don't know right now where is our index. I think we have set a background as white, right? So that's why everything is white. Um, yeah, so Now this will give a very good feel to this. So the browse section. Let's just yeah, this itself. Let's just give this background color as white, and we'll make it look so much better. Yeah. Uh, and the same thing goes over here. Same thing goes over here. Okay, so these things look sort of different. And now same thing over here, background color, and we are going to give it as triple F. Triple F is basically a white color. Oh shit, no, not this, sorry. Here, background color, save it, and you can see it's taken off the whole thing. And it's actually right. I mean, if we do here, flex direction, again, it should be row and things will be sorted. Yep, that's good. Um, and now let's just increase the border radius to 30. Yeah, 30 makes it look so 25. What's happening, man? Why is it not 25? Okay, I don't know. We'll get back to that. Um, so how is it? Actually, the vertical padding is more than the horizontal. I have made it ulta, so let's make it 20 and let's make this 10. Yep, yeah, this is close. And now here we are going to give the styling, obviously, and font family will be Poppins, semi bold. Yeah, I'm just going to give semi bold. And this looks good, and we are going to give some margin left, 20. This looks close to this. Yep, this looks so much more closer. Yeah, this is good. Awesome. So but the thing is the white card is sticking at the right side, so I'm just gonna add some padding over here and make it, sorry. Array, normal padding, yeah. Padding. And no, yeah, I'm just gonna give some 20 padding. Oh no, 10. 20 is too much. Yes, this is good. And now again, you can give different images, and we'll give margin right as 20, 25. This is good. Uh, and we can just copy and paste this now again. Sure. Copy, paste, copy, paste. So we can have running, running here, and sports here. Great. So we have different shoes. This looks great. I think the heart can look way better. Heart is not looking nice. And let's see if we can find some good heart in our heart section. Yeah, this looks more good. But there is no filled version and there is no. Okay, we have something good here. I think we can use these two. Heart and heart ELT. This looks way better, guys. No. Yeah, this looks way better. What about these? I think this also. Yeah, so I think we can use heart and we can use heart on our outline. Yeah, let's just use this. This is good. I'm gonna first, I will have to copy this, paste it, because typing everything is boring. Great. And now, let's just have this. And where is our heart? Where is our heart? Heart is here. And instead of, we'll have heart. Let's see how this looks. Wow, this looks so much more better. So much more better. Yeah. And I think I can make this 250. Yeah, this also looks better now. And we'll give a different color. No, let's just give red color and pick it up from here. Let's just pick which color is this. Oh, I can't do that. Okay, HTML color codes. Let's see which is the red we want. I think this red or this red. I think this red is good. We'll just copy this and paste it over here. Wow, damn, that looks nice. Padding 5. I think padding should be 10, not 5. Yeah, this looks good. And yep, this looks nice now. And in our next one, we'll make the same changes. Go to your next card. Actually, guys, you shouldn't be doing these, like, uh, I mean, copy pasting the icon, you shouldn't be doing that. Uh, Heart outline, I'll show you. Because we don't have any data right now, maybe I should just create our data. It is filled, but it has some whitish color, so we don't need to have outline, but we can have a heart, but we need a very light gray. So let's just see which gray will suit. I think we can pick this. I'm just right now trying to create like the UI UX part, uh, integrating with data and stuff. Probably I'll take it up in the next part. Yes, yeah, that looks good. And now let's make this 110. Yep, and this at 60. Awesome. We can just copy this now. This is as it's basically designing, just creating the UI part. Um, so yeah, awesome. This is good. This is nice. I like this, how this has turned out. And now let's just change the, maybe we can find a better picture. Let's see. Yeah, we can put this, right? I mean, 1B also we can put. Let's import 1B. Oh, shoot. 1B. Great. And now, in place of our here, we will just do 1B, 1B, 1B. Yay! This looks awesome. Like, this is so much close to what we intend to do, right? I mean, just look at this. Maybe the shadow effect would have made it look way better. Should we try that? Let me remove. Let's try that actually. And I'm gonna remove that border from those cards. It's looking very ugly. I think I just did that in the last one because border color, because I thought there was no differentiation. And looks so much better. Even without the shadow effect, this looks way better. And we almost have a first screen ready, guys. Not bad, right? I mean, this is what it is. Yeah, okay, save it. Awesome. So we have a first screen ready. Like it's not exact same, but this looks good. Maybe flash option can be little up. Margin left, margin top 20. Let's make this 15 or 10. Yeah, way better. Way better. Okay, so we have our first screen ready. Okay, let's see if we have some questions. If there is no questions, we'll head towards the second screen. Disabled hard button can be more towards black. You can give the drop shadow or change the background color to gray, and those boxes can be white. Remove the box border. All the box curves should be same. Yeah, Akshat, your OCD is hitting. I can see that. But yeah, that was done in the previous video. So we'll just refine it more and more. But right now the objective is to just wrap this up as soon as possible. Let's get to the second screen. And if you have anything more to ask, I don't know how long this is. It doesn't even ping me, like this is just sad. I don't know. YouTube should do so much more better on this. But yeah, let's go to the next screen. I mean, shadow should be. I think we can just find out why elevation was not working. I mean, we tried adding shadow last time and that didn't work out well. Let's see, because the cards are looking like, yeah, this removing the borders and stuff helped, but adding a shadow would make it look so much more better. And also you can see that the second card onwards, like it's not in white color. That's another differentiation. But yeah, I think you guys can go forward and fix that. I think I'll just go forward with this second screen. And yeah, let's just do this. Okay, cool. Having Figma file also helps a lot because you're doing it from the image. Hmm. Actually, the background is not like gray, but it's more on the whiter side. I think there is some gradient, like it's darker down than it's on top if you look carefully at this. But yeah, anyways, that's fine. I am not gonna dwell on that part. Um, okay, so when you click on this, right now, if you click or do anything, nothing is happening. So if you click on any of these cards, any of these three cards, I'm just going to do it for the first card. You can do the same thing for the second and third card. So if you click on the any of the card, we will go to the next screen, right? Yeah. Okay. What just happened? Okay, I think we shouldn't be doing that on emulator. Okay, so if you click on any of this card, you should go to the second screen. Yeah, let's just do that now. We need an image, tag. The top part can be the same. Top part can be the same. Uh, let's break this down. Okay, the top part will remain the same. The icon, the menu icon will change into the back icon. The image will be here. Then this is a normal text box and then icon. So this is one view. So this is one view which is row, but it has multiple different views inside it, multiple different text view inside it, and the active one has a different styling from the non-active ones. Active basically the selected one. So when they click on 10 or something, then there is a different styling. And then we have another card, which is basically an icon again and a text box. Then there is a gradient view, which has a text again, and then text, and there is some sort of a graph image. I'm not gonna do that graph part. Then we have text again, and then we have two buttons. We have two text again, and one small image, and then one button. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to divide this whole screen into three parts, four parts. One is header, one is the image wala part, like where the details of the sizes are there. Then there will be market value component, and then there is going to be about the shoe component, and each one of them will just go one by one. Okay, and maybe this in today's video maybe like very roughly implement each one of them, and in the next video, next Sunday, which I'll be doing at 10 p.m. again, probably I'll just take up for an hour and refine it and make it look as it is, like how it is looking as per the design. But let's get the functionality working, and we'll do some more next level extensible thing in the next video. How much ever we can, let's see, till 12 o'clock I'm gonna do, and after that, we'll take it up on the next Sunday. Perfect. So let's just do that. Let's go here. Fonts को collapse. अरे बंद हो जाए यार. Okay, so we have screen one, screen two only has index. So let's just create four more pages here. One is going to be header.tsx, and there's going to be what do you call image? No, not image. What should we call the component? Fuck. We should probably call it sizes or size browsing or something like that. Sizes dot tsx. Then we have market value dot tsx, and we have about shoe dot tsx. Perfect. So we have different things, and in our index dot tsx. Oh, by the way, we haven't integrated. Did we integrate navigation by any chance? We did, right? We did it. Yeah, we have done that. So when you click on the browse, or actually, wait. So screen one comes. So by the way, we did the navigation part in the previous video. So here we are going to get navigation as a prop, which gets. This is again, I'm just going to recap once. This is happening because we have navigation set up over here, and each of our screen components get a prop called as navigation, uh, using which, sorry, using which you can actually go to the next screen. We did this in the previous video, so if you haven't caught up with that, please do. And we'll pass the same navigation um, in our browse wala component, and we'll call. अरे क्या हो गया यार ये? What's the issue? Okay, yeah. So this is fine, and we'll go to our browse.tsx, and we are going to call navigation. Yay. And now when you click on each of these views, right? So we have a view. We have a view. A view doesn't have what do you call as on press. On press is a callback function which touchable, wait, touchable opacity. Yeah. So onPress is a function which gets called when you click on a view or a text. Okay. But by default in React Native, view doesn't come with that prop. Okay. So yeah, um, it's not helping us that way. So we will change this view into a touchable opacity. So when we do that, obviously the closing tag also has to be changed. And okay, so now when you go here and you if you click, there is some sort of an animation which shows that you're clicking on it. Okay, and now when you go to our touchable opacity here after styles, you will have one more prop called as on press, and in our on press we need to call a function and which will basically we'll have to do navigation dot navigate to our screen. So what's our screen name? I think it's screen 2, and uh, this should be good, I guess. So when you click, it's going to screen 2, perfect. When you click back, you come back to this. Awesome. So we have that. So we can actually close off all these. It's not necessary right now. As we require it, we'll open it, we'll add there and address stuff. So this is our index of this. Um, तो अब हम आ जाते हैं हमारे स्क्रीन टू में। स्क्रीन टू में अब हमारा स्क्रीन वन खत्म हो चुका है। स्क्रीन टू में आकर we will have to show the same header. So we'll go here and we are going to declare function header. Let's see if there is any sort of interactions. Disabled header. Okay, no, it's cool. Okay, so we have a function header, which is not doing anything, but we can just copy and paste our first header, right? We don't have to do the exact same thing. So we will do that. We can copy this and we will paste this. And by the way, you should also think that if we are copy and pasting the same thing, why can't we use the same component? Okay, we can do that. Okay, there's no issues with that. But another thing is ki you should be mindful about the design, right? When see this first screen card design. Okay, this has menu and this has back. So if you had to implement for the same header, so you might have to pass a prop, which is like an input to the function, and tell from which screen is this header being called from. So if it is from screen one, it will show menu, add a conditional telling if the prop is from screen one, show menu. If it is from prop screen two, add a back button. So, but right now I'm just making a copy of it because it's much easier and I want to get it done with this. Okay, and probably in the coming videos, or maybe I will do this in the coming Sunday video where we are refining this and making it as much as the design part. So अब इधर से हटा देते हैं इसको and we will add our header. So we need header from the screen too, and we'll hit save. Yeah, okay. So we have our header in our screen 2 का header, but menu के बदले में हमें instead of menu, we need to have a back. So let's see if we can get something. Yeah, back. Yeah, iron icons, and I think this will make more sense. But I need something which is little more curved. So can we find that? iOS का है क्या? Probably this. Okay, I think we just gotta use what we have. देखते हैं कौन सा पैकेजेस इधर इंपोर्ट हुए हैं. मटेरियल कम्युनिटी आइकन्स हुआ है. सो इसमें है क्या? नहीं है. मटेरियल आइकन्स में है. Okay, so we'll just do this. Material icons only we'll use. And yes, shit, I always do this mistake. Guys, I'm not very used to Windows laptop, so that's why this issue is happening. I'm doing this on Windows laptop mainly because I was facing issues streaming from MacBook. So yes, that's the problem. अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. एंड नेम क्या है यार इसका? एरो बैक iOS. All right, so we have a different. Oh fuck. Okay. Shit. This is not supposed to happen over here, but let's just copy it. इसको copy कर लेते हैं पहले. And there is a back thing. It's over here. So we'll paste it over here. Before we do that, let's get back to our original stuff. Okay. और इधर हम लोग इसको पेस्ट कर देंगे और ये सही हो जाएगा. Perfect. Okay. Perfect. So we have our header setup. वो तो हो गया. Now we need our ये image वाला part to be set up. So let's just do that. तो इसको close कर देते हैं. We don't need this anymore. So we'll go to sizes.tsx and we'll name it as function. Um, and we'll call this as sizes. By the way, guys, today one of my relative was learning, uh, React Native, and there is so many things I just assume that you guys know, and as things goes forward you'll feel ki, oh shit, this was so silly, and while beginning you will make such mistakes and it's very natural because even I did. So here what happens is ki your function which you're making the name of this, the function name and the file name needs to be the same thing. Okay, or need not be the same thing, but when you're exporting it the first letter of the component needs to be capital. So you need to follow that. If you don't follow that, you will get an error that it's not capital. So be little mindful about it. Just a disclaimer. Export default. Yep. और इधर हम लोग को व्यू चाहिए. एंड हमें एक टेक्स्ट भी डाल देता हूँ इसमें, which is going to be like hey. ओके, टेक्स्ट डाल देते हैं और इसको बोलते हैं क्या है, साइज का कार्ड. एंड इसका इश्यूज फिक्स हो गया. ये जब विजुअल स्टूडियो का दिस न्यू अपडेट इज sucks. Import react from react. Okay, so this is good. So now we will have our sizes component also shown here. Text string must be rendered within this. सही तो है यार. Okay. Oh, so damn, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, perfect. तो ये हो गया हमारा साइजेस कार्ड का. लेकिन साइजेस कार्ड ऑब्वियसली वो नहीं है. सो वी नीड वन इमेज, वी नीड अ व्यू, अनदर व्यू. सो इमेज के लिए एक व्यू कर देते हैं. यहाँ इमेज आ जाएगा हमारा। uh, why is the comment not working? अरे यार, why is the comment not working? Okay, but anyways, ये इमेज के लिए व्यू हो गया। Okay, and we are going to have one more view for the name and heart. So name and heart view. Heart is basically favorite, like view, but I'm just going to name it as heart view. और इधर हमारे पास then we will have another view, which is the size bars. So here size bar view. Perfect. Awesome. So now we will obviously write things because it's empty right now. It doesn't make sense. इसको क्या करें यार? Okay. तो इधर हमारा इमेज व्यू में फर्स्ट है कि हम लोग को इमेज फर्स्ट इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा फ्रॉम रिएक्ट नेटिव। एंड उससे पहले भी वी नीड टू चेक वन इमेज विच वी वुड लाइक टू शो। सो वन ए बी सी डी ये दिखाएं क्या? टू ए टू बी ये टू सी टू डी। अरे वन ए पर क्लिक किया तो उसी को दिखाना पड़ेगा ना। सो यही दिखाता है, वन डी ही दिखाता है उधर। सो वी विल import img1d from assets images 1d dot jpg। ऑल राइट। और इसमें हम सोर्स डाल देंगे, सोर्स इज इक्वल टू ऑब्वियसली इमेज img1d। एंड स्टाइल में हम लोग इसको डायमेंशन डाल देंगे। डायमेंशन क्या हो सकते हैं? width will be like 200 maybe, and height would be again like 250 probably. Okay. Hmm. It's got disable for entire file. I'm just doing it for all the things. So क्या हो गया? None of these files exist. SRCS. Excuse me. Sorry. ये क्या हो गया? Slow the fan. I think it's JPG, right? So हाँ, ओके। डैम, ओके। तो हमारा इमेज आ गया। और इधर हम अपना टेक्स्ट डाल देते हैं। टेक्स्ट में हमारा क्या नाम है? नाइकी एयर मैक्स 2090। नाइकी एयर मैक्स 2090। और हमारा हार्ट का इमोजी ऑफ कोर्स। ओ ओ ओ ओ बाय द वे, डिड यू ऑब्जर्व दैट हमारा व्यू का ऊपर हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं? सो दैट इज रॉन्ग। तो ये व्यू का अंदर आना चाहिए, तो फिर नहीं तो फिर प्रॉब्लम होगा। um, awesome, so this is done and now we need the same heart बंद कर। Okay, where were we in the sizes, right? So we need now the same heart wala symbol which was there here. So I'm just gonna copy that from here. Heart, ये ये वाला था क्या? हाँ, सबसे ऊपर वाला लाल heart. Okay, so we'll go here. We will paste it here, but that package is obviously not there, ion icons का। So we will just copy that also and import it here. तो हार्ट वाला सिंबल आ गया। अब इसके बाद है कि हमारा साइज वाला चाहिए। एंड बाय द वे, हम इफ यू सी दिस साइज इज वॉट एवर यूर सेइंग, इट्स द सेम थिंग, बट बस यही है कि कलर डिफरेंस है और थोड़ा साइज बड़ा है। सो वी कैन एक्चुअली कॉपी दिस होल व्यू 789 वाला, ओके, एंड पुट इट हियर, एंड दैट शुड बी इट। एंड साइज हम उसका बढ़ा देंगे, so that should be fine. तो let's go and see. हम लोग उठाते हैं, उधर से ही उठाते हैं इसको। So we will take this copy, and हम इसके बदले में, ये व्यू के बदले में ये पेस्ट कर देंगे, और obviously fix the prettier, और great, awesome. So अभी देखोगे तो लगेगा कि इट्स वेरी वियर्ड। सो हम लोग अपना स्टाइलिंग वगैरह सब करते हैं अब। इसको करते हैं अलाइन आइटम सेंटर फर्स्ट, सारे आइटम सेंटर्स में आ जाएंगे। awesome. देन वी नीड, ये हमारा पूरा रो में है, तो इसको रो में बदलते हैं, इसको फ्लेक्स डायरेक्शन, सॉरी, फ्लेक्स डायरेक्शन रो हो जाएगा। awesome. Then we need to give some margin. Uh, देखो यार, मतलब यू शुड सी एंड फिगर इट आउट, यू कांट लाइक, अभी फिग्मा फाइल रहता या कोई डिजाइन कंपोनेंट रहता तो देन यू कैन सी इन दैट एंड यू विल बी फाइन। बट इफ you don't have anything, you will have to make it look good because it's your job to make it look good. So अब margin, इसका margin vertical में 20 डाल देते हैं। This looks fine. And then we can just add margin vertical again for the middle view, and it will sort out the gap between both of them. So again margin vertical हो जाएगा, 20 डाल देते हैं बस। परफेक्ट। अब हमको फॉन्ट अलग डालना होगा नेम के लिए। we'll have to use some different font because we have some, we are using Poppins. So yeah, font family Poppins semi bold, सेव करते हैं। हाँ परफेक्ट। और साइज थोड़ा बड़ा होगा ऑब्वियसली, फॉन्ट साइज विल बी लाइक 18, मालूम नहीं, देखते हैं कैसा दिखता है। ग्रेट। लेकिन देख रहे हो नेम और हार्ट दोनों अलाइन नहीं है, सो वील हैव टू डू अलाइन आइटम्स सेंटर। इट्स वेरी इटरेटिव प्रोसेस बट इट्स नाइस। तो ये हो गया हमारा अलाइन। फॉन्ट साइज भी तो सही लग रहा है। या आई थिंक 20 विल बी बेटर देन 18। हाँ 20 लुक्स वे बेटर। और इसमें मार्जिन डाल देते हैं, मार्जिन राइट, मार्जिन राइट 20, क्योंकि हार्ट और उसमें बहुत ये हो गया है। अरे यार, इसका अलाइन आइटम्स इट्स नॉट रियली मेकिंग इट सेंटर, अजीब सा है। आई थिंक दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉन्ट। ओके, लाइक सम फॉन्ट हैव लाइक दे जस्ट ऐड क्या बोलते हैं, they add their own margin at the top and the bottom. So yeah, so it might be because of that. So let's just add some margin top over here. देखते हैं, margin top 10, 5, और हार्ट का भी साइज इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं टू मे बी 20। Oh, by the way, I think we can, if both the sizes are same, and then let's try this instead of this. इसको ये करते हैं, and then इसको अब अलाइन आइटम्स करते हैं सेंटर में, maybe because of the sizes. Yeah, this looks very very ठीक है। Can the height size, is it correct? Yeah, it is right. Heart size again I feel कि थोड़ा और बड़ा हो सकता है ये. Yeah, fine. Now what? अब हमारा ये जो साइज वाला बार्स है उसको टच अप देता है थोड़ा. um, तो we need a lot more, right? तो बीच वाला इमेज जो है, so there are three on the left and three on the right, and the middle one is basically the highlighted active one. तो active one का styling कुछ और होगा, non active one का styling कुछ और होगा. So let's make the 7 the non active one and 8 as the active one. Okay, so that will make it look like we will know the reference. तो इसका है कि हमें डार्क ग्रे. भाई ये बैकग्राउंड पहले कौन सा कलर का है वो देखते हैं. उठा सकते हैं क्या इससे? नहीं उठा पा रहे हैं. नहीं हो रहा है. Nope, we can't. How about dribble? Like dribble से उठा सकते हैं क्या? I think this is their background color, which is strip 5E and F. ठीक है. Oh, thank God. Oh man, this is very annoying. इसमें हम अपना screen 2 का स्टाइल डालते हैं and then इसमें background color E E E E 5E and 1F, right? कितना हो गया? हाँ correct. Did it make any difference? मालूम नहीं पड़ रहा है. Oh, yeah, I think it did. I think it did. नीचे में तो white दिखा रहा है, ऊपर में थोड़ा grey दिखा रहा है. So not really sure कि किधर apply किधर हुआ. So let's do one thing. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? इसका height हम dimension से pick करेंगे. Dimensions dot get dot window dot height. So क्या इसमें क्या बोल रहे हैं? Like the whole screen is our thing. And yeah, okay, so this looks good. This looks fine. I guess this is different. And yeah, fine. Sizes. अब इसको inactive थोड़ा बनाना है, तो inactive के लिए कौन सा कलर है? देखते हैं इधर. Then there is like one this color. I don't think this has been used. ये use हो रहा होगा. Or else we'll just see, we'll pick some other color of our choice. तो inactive में ये बना देते हैं F2 F4 F4. इसका बैकग्राउंड डाल देते हैं. um, और इसका कलर टेक्स्ट कलर ये रखेंगे और बैकग्राउंड कलर F2 F4 रखेंगे और टेक्स्ट कलर ये रखेंगे. ओके, सो दैट विल मेक इट लुक लिटिल डिफरेंट. बैकग्राउंड कलर है नहीं तो इसमें डालना पड़ेगा बैकग्राउंड कलर. Background color is F2. Okay. इसका border color है नहीं तो we will remove the border with. ज़रूरी नहीं है. And इसका थोड़ा ये CD. यार color का थोड़ा issues हो रहा है. Like probably I should ask the designer to just give me the Figma file. ऐसे थोड़ी होगा. Yeah, this looks fine. अब font size को इसको हम लोग बड़ा कर कर 20 कर देते हैं. नहीं 18 रहेगा. सही है. 18 थोड़ा 28 हो गया. ओके, 18 सही है. ओके, परफेक्ट. और हॉरिजॉन्टल पैडिंग, हॉरिजॉन्टल में हम लोग 8 डालते हैं या 10 डालते हैं. यस, दिस लुक्स गुड. और आई थिंक वी कैन मेक द text color little more darker. Yeah, text color more darker, I guess. Or background color. I'm just experimenting, dude. I think background color तो यही हो जाएगा. Okay, this is better. And now text color को थोड़ा और dark बनाते हैं. Okay, yeah, this is way better. This is way better. Perfect. अब हमको क्या करना है? This thing is there and 9 है हमारा जो एक्टिव वाला होगा एंड पैडिंग हॉरिजॉन्टल इसका 10 कर देते हैं और इसका फॉन्ट भी 18 कर देते हैं एंड दिस शुड बी फाइन बट इसका बैकग्राउंड कलर इज वाइट यस बैकग्राउंड कलर इज वाइट इट्स इसका बैकग्राउंड कलर इज वाइट ओह बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑफ लग रहा है ये so we will pick some other color maybe this I guess this only will take f2 f4 और नो डैम रहने देते यार पहले जैसा था वैसे ही रहने देते हैं इसको हम झूठ मूठ कर फिगमा रहता तो बहुत सही रहता बट क्या कर सकते हैं एफ में ये ट्राई करते हैं एक बार दिस इज अ ट्रू पेन of any front-end developer or a designer to like getting it right. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it at this. And क्योंकि झूठ मूठ कर इन्वेस्ट करना जरूरी नहीं है. You can figure that out. 7 3 इधर है तो ये हमारा हो जाएगा 6 7 8 और 9 है एक्टिव. फिर सेव करते हैं एंड फिर उसके बाद है कि वी विल कॉपी दिस अगेन. कौन सा awesome. Great. So we have this which 9 के बाद तो 10 आएगा 11 आएगा और 12 आएगा. Save it. Cool. अभी लेकिन 9 के वाला में मार्जिन राइट नहीं है. मार्जिन राइट 10. Awesome. So we have our size bars ready. Okay. So this part is done. तो अभी हमें ये वाला कार्ड मार्केट वैल्यू का कार्ड बनाना पड़ेगा and then about the shoe का कार्ड. So let's see how much we can try to finish this market value ka card. Okay, and maybe we'll just pick it up in the next session on the next Sunday at 10 p.m. again and try to wrap it up. तो ये हमारा हो गया. ब्राउज क्लोज कर देते हैं क्लोज कर देते हैं और मार्केट वैल्यू पिक करते हैं and same thing function the drill remains the same all the time market value and we need to do export sorry default. So basically by the way again I'm repeating this export default matlab this function is getting exported from this file. That's what that means. Okay, and you're trying to import that function from that file. तो ऐसा ही होता है मतलब when you write import and then you write the name so it is importing that from that file. तो ये हम यार मार्केट वैल्यू डाल देते हैं, मार्केट वैल्यू. All right, and we need to have, of course, import. Okay, so we need to import this also here. So market value अपना आ जाएगा. Save. Okay. Now again, let's do the analysis of this card. Okay. तो अभी हो क्या रहा है? One view for the heading, जो हमारा market value का heading है, and this one whole view for the price tag. Okay. And probably this whole thing is a view, and उसमें border bottom लग जाएगा. Okay. And then there will be this text, and this whole thing will be another view. इसके अंदर this two will be one view again, or then this will be just normal one text का thing. So तो हम लोग इसको break down करते हैं. Okay. The same way, I'm just gonna, yeah, इधर इसको फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल है कि हमें हेडिंग का बनाना है, तो एक व्यू हमारा हेडिंग के लिए बन जाएगा. ओके, हेडिंग व्यू, and then we are going to have a price tag view, which is basically a gradient, right? It's a gradient view. So view, awesome. And then we are going to have a view. ये लाइन, ये दोनों को क्लब कर कर एक साथ डाल सकते हैं, या फिर ये लाइन को ऐसे ही डाल सकते हैं, लाइक यू कैन पुट दिस लाइन बाय योर ओन, और दिस कैन बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस वन होल थिंग, दिस होल व्यू. ओके, तो कैसे करें? So or else we can do one more thing, is that कि इस दोनों को एक साथ क्लब कर देते हैं, current ask offer और उसको, yes, and then that will be good actually, that will current ask view, and here I will apply the border top, सिर्फ border top करूँगा, and then this one whole thing can be a view. So this will be our buy and sell wala view, buy and sell view. And then we will have ask all, see all, ask offer. Okay, I don't know what that's supposed to mean. एक button वाला view, bottom button view. All right, I think I'm just gonna close this now. I'm not gonna write these views. Okay, and we will pick this up on the next Sunday, and I think we'll finish it by then. I don't think anything more will be left, and I'll pick few things which I want to refine more. Okay, and I will make a checklist of that and try to wrap that up in the next live session. And अभी क्या है, ये कार्ड वाला बनाना है, नीचे वाला कार्ड बनाना है, तो ऐप खत्म. एंड देन वी विल, probably I will think of adding more data, maybe creating a dummy data, and how we can parse through the data and create this view dynamically than hard coding it. Okay. And also maybe I will also pick up the styling. Right now we are doing inline styling, and that's not actually the right way to do it, but I'm doing it right now because it's quick, and you can see the results immediately and without toggling between two different files. But on a longer run, you would want the repeating styles to be in a same name, and so that you could just import those styles and get done with it. What else? Maybe adding the shadow effect. I will try things out because I did the adding elevation. Like you can add, there is a prop called as elevation, and if you give a value to elevation, the view takes like it moves up. But that was not happening, so I'll have to see what is the other alternative way. कैसे वो कर सकते हैं. And then yeah, I will just reevaluate this. It was amazing doing this, and I'll probably make both part one and part two live as a video on my channel. Right now, it's actually accessible as a on the URL, but हाँ वही मतलब this is it, I guess. कैसा लगा? How many people are there? Let's just see that. Okay, still there are three viewers here. Thanks for being live for this long. थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो गया था, so we started little late, but I guess yeah, that's it. Stay safe, guys. I hope this helped, and I'll make this the part one and this part of the video live after this tonight or mostly tomorrow, so that everyone can actually search and view it. um, उतना ही यार. Thanks for coming, and see you guys in the next one. Bye. I hope you had fun. That's more important. Chalo, bye.